cornmeal mix. Oh, my words. Blech. My words are shot. Y'all behind the scenes of these videos be something else. You just don't even know it. 3/4 cups of self-rising cornmeal mix. Wait, I gotta watch that back. What just happened? I forgot what I even... I know that one made it. Off, bruh. I think I got it that time. We're cooking with chaos, you feel me? Oh, and it's on the counter. I can't with this bro. Hold up. I just made a mess. One cutter. Oh, wow. I could make this live stream into a video. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Throw the lid. It's fine. People have tried, you could just use oil and an egg and blah, blah, blah. They're like, there's a f***ing reason for it, I promise to God. Will it fit? It fits. Right. There's an art to this shit, I promise. This is the, because I forgot my buttermilk once. I've already poured oil on my counter. I had to clean that up. I forgot to turn my oven on. So this is actually almost ready. And ooh. One sec. So with your piping hot pan, oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Put that back. Hold up. I forgot my spatula. I need it in hand. What the f is wrong with me? 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown on top. Bye bye. See you in a bit. Hold on. Shush. Quiet. Be quiet. Shh. How many times do I curse in the video? That is not cornbread. That's not cornbread. It says corn muffin mix. Corn muffin. That is not cornbread. I add cream of corn to your Jiffy and sprinkle sugar on top and then, oh my God. No! Blasphemy! This is cornbread. That is wrong. Tender, squishy, moist. Shut up! Shut! Thank you. When the tism is hitting, boy, look at that nice, crispy, crackety. Oh my God, I just messed my own speech up. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. If it ain't done, you gotta do it longer. Jiffy is used if your mama don't love you. No truer facts has ever been stated. Jiffy is used if your mama don't love you. That's it. Oh my. Perfection.